Athens, the city where ancient history meets modern bustling life, and it's great all year round, and it's reasonably priced. Let me show you how. Well, this one's quite easy for me because I've done it quite recently, so I'll walk you through the process. I find Wizzair are very good, and because I've got the Wizzair discount where you save a tenner per person per direction, I'm saving nearly 40 quid on flights, and it's coming in at £76. Now, accommodation, a lot of people say don't stay in Ammonia. We did, and it wasn't too bad. I've just had a quick look in Expedia, and you can get the same hotel we used for 81. Some of them are as low as 66. So that's pretty damn good. I personally would stay in the Pergamos again because it's only a short hop to the tube, and it's not as bad as people make out, and it's a really cool kebab house next door. Now, things to do, if you go between October and March, some attractions are half price, like the Acropolis is only €10 as opposed to 20, so that's a big win. We went in December and the temperature was in the 20s, and I think it's still quite pleasant right through to April when it starts to get warmer. So I would definitely cram it in between October and April. Eating out is pretty damn good. You can get a gyros virtually anywhere for less than €5, and we found some great places to eat for less than €15 a head, and one of them was with a view of the Acropolis at night on an open air terrace. What else would you want? So pulling it all together, the flights with my Wizzair discount are 76 and the hotel is 81, which makes 157. Now, I've just banged it into Expedia, and as a package it comes in at 165. Now, don't forget, with a package you get atoll protection, so I personally would do it with the package. And bear in mind, if you weren't a Wizzair member, it would cost you 197. For two people, that's less than £100. It's got to be a winner. If you want more tips like this, why not subscribe and follow? There'll be a couple a week coming up.